Hello everybody and welcome back to another video from Evolve EdTech as part of our School AI series to introduce you to some of the wonderful tools that are available through this magnificent AI-powered tool. So in this particular video today, we're going to continue to explore some of these amazing tools. And today we're looking at how it's so simple and easy to create vocabulary lists using School AI. However, before we dive into looking at exploring this amazing tool today, we do just want to remind you that if you haven't done so already, we would love it if you head over to the Evolve EdTech YouTube channel, you subscribe to the channel, and you like this video so that you can continue to support us to help you with your EdTech adventures. We want to help you have fun with EdTech in the classroom. So by subscribing to our channel and liking our videos, you are going to continue to motivate us like absolutely no tomorrow. All right, so today we're going to go and have a look at another one of the wonderful tools available through School AI. The tool that we're going to look at today is the vocabulary list generator. It's a fantastic tool that could be really beneficial for all different kinds of reasons within our classrooms. So just make sure that you are signed into your School AI account so that you can access your vocabulary list tool as part of the suite of tools in this wonderful platform. All right, so you can see here that the vocabulary list will generate vocabulary words based on a subject or a topic. So essentially, this is really limitless, all right? You have so many things that you could use this amazing tool for to create some wonderful vocabulary lists that you can use with your students. So we're going to go down, we're going to click on the generate button, which is going to bring up this particular tool. And we're going to get started by filling out the information that the AI needs in order to generate our vocabulary lists. Okay, the first thing that it asks for is our grade. So how about we start off with, maybe we start off with year 2 this time. So we'll start off with a primary school example. How many words would we like in our vocabulary list to be defined? So you can decide how many you would like. We might just stick with 5 for this particular example. And then we're going to outline our topic. So it's got some examples here: literary devices, algebra, forces in motion, James and the Giant Peach, etc. So maybe we start off with, let's start off with some basic mathematics terminology. And then all we do is we click our purple generate button, let the AI work its magic, and it will come up with our vocabulary list there. How simple is that? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, equal signs, all mathematical terms that we will probably be using with our year 2 students. We have a wonderful definition there, okay? So we have something that we could use straight away. And just like always with every wonderful tool in School AI, we have the ability to edit this particular document here. We can share this document, okay, if we're sharing it with co-teachers, and we can export this as a PDF or Google Doc. We also have the ability to highlight a section. So let's say that this definition here might not be worded in a way that is going to be accessible for some of our students. So all we do is we highlight that section and we head up here to the purple AI tools button up in the top left-hand corner. And then we have some AI tools that we can use. We can create a custom prompt. We can simplify. We can make it shorter, longer. We can change the tone. There's so many things that we can do here. So maybe we change the tone. Maybe we make this a little bit more child-friendly. So let's see what the AI does this time. Okay, we can see here that the AI has regenerated that particular definition, all right, and it has written it in a more child-friendly tone, okay, which is what you might like if you're going to use these with your students. How cool and how simple is that to create a vocabulary list using AI for a topic or a subject without you having to do much more than entering a few pieces of information that the AI is going to use. It's going to save you a truckload of time. I can guarantee it's going to make your time as a teacher so much more efficient and effective. All right, let's head back and let's have another go at maybe a high school example this time. So we're going to generate a new list. Maybe let's head down here and let's look at something for year 10, okay? We'll just do 5 words again, and maybe let's just do common literary devices. Okay, the 5 most common literary devices that our students should be aware of. And here we go. Simile, metaphor, personification, foreshadowing, and irony. There's our vocabulary list. There's our definitions. So easy. We don't have to go out there and find those definitions on the internet, look in those dictionaries and struggle to work out how we're going to share this particular term or vocabulary term with our students in a way that they're going to understand. We now have SchoolAI that is going to do that for us. So simple, so easy, so wonderful. It's going to save you so much time, and it's going to save you so much hassle in being able to come up with those wonderful, wonderful vocabulary lists for our students. Okay, I did just go through last night, and I played around just to experiment with a couple of others. So I created one looking at common 3D shapes for year 3 students. Okay, so again, we have our term and our definition. So easy, so simple. All right. I'm not sure why I did a second one there. Okay, here we go. So I did it again, but I've obviously asked it for more of those vocabulary terms instead. And it actually has simplified those definitions, which might be useful to meet the needs of the students in your classroom. So don't forget that by regenerating your prompts, it may make those particular definitions a little bit easier and more simplistic and relevant for your students. So using this particular tool is absolutely amazing. All right, it's so simple. So we might hop down here, we might do another one, year 11. Let's make the list a little bit bigger here, and we might talk about common film techniques. So now we are going to have a list of common film techniques generated, and we're going to see what it comes up with. So I'm just going to click our generate button, okay, and we're going to see what is generated by AI in SchoolAI this time. Look, fantastic, very simple, but very on point, all right, of those particular definitions for those vocabulary terms there. So simple, so easy. It's going to save you an absolute truckload of time. All right, I'm going to do one more example. I'm going to try something here. So let's maybe go to year 5. Let's stick with, I'm going to do a bit of a test. Let's go 20 words. And I'm going to go space and the solar system broken into a 3-tier structure. Don't know if this is going to work. Let's see if it breaks it up into the 3-tier vocabulary model here. Oh my, it has actually done that. So we have tier 1 words, we have tier 2 words, we have our tier 3 words and vocabulary there. How amazing is that? You can actually ask it to break it up into those tier 1, 2, and 3 words. How cool is that? I don't think that you're getting just how excited that this makes me, but it's just showing you how powerful AI is. But just remember that this is an assistant. This is here to help you. It is not here to take over your job. You still need to go in there, make sure that those particular vocabulary terms are relevant. And if they're not, regenerate, and regenerate, edit that prompt, manipulate it until you have exactly what you were looking for. So this is a magnificent tool. And I think you will have an absolute blast trying to experiment and get exactly what you need with the vocabulary builder here through SchoolAI. Another powerful, another wonderful tool here. Using the vocabulary list in SchoolAI, it's going to provide you with so many vocabulary words and definitions that you can use with your students to help them develop their vocabulary and the suite of vocab that they can use in their communication, their discussion, their writing. How amazing. I just don't think that I am able to really emphasize that this is a powerful tool, which I'm really encouraging you to go out and explore. Anyway, that brings us to the end of this video, looking at how easy it is to create vocabulary lists using SchoolAI, a wonderful tool that's going to be a huge assistant for you in your classroom starting right now. Anyway, that brings us to the end of this video. My name is Tristan. Thank you so much for being part of this journey with us, and join us again very soon for our next video as part of our SchoolAI series. Until then, everybody, stay safe.